Okay, today we are unboxing our new vacuum. This is the Eurika AirSpeed ultra light, powerful compact vacuum. We decided to buy the cheapest upright vacuum we could find. And this was the one, $39.
Yep, it's always broken.
We buy $200 ones and they break. So we figured this would be, if it could last us a few months, then we'll just throw this one away too. So the vacuuming's not that bad. It's good for carpets and hardwood floors.
We have carpets.
Includes a dusting brush and a crevice tool. It's under 8 pounds, very light. You can move it around. What else we got on it?
It has 3 tools included.
3 tools included.
And an easy dust cup.
Yep,
Thing.
washable. It's
And then
got
you
a
have
filter.
a washable filter.
Yep. So that's it. We shall open now.
We must open. Oh, the knife of cutting everything open.
And with this thing too, in the carpet.
Is it bad or is it good? Will it last 1 month or will it last 1 hour? Who knows?
If it lasts 6 months, we'll be happy. Okay, let's do this.
But this is the first thing.
Yeah, the handle.
Handle or whatever.
There is.
Here's the instructions. Put it down.
Instructions.
Tools.
Ooh, these are
The brush, the crevice tool.
Wait, these are 3. Those are the tools. Those are the 3 tools.
Yep.
There's the vacuum. Oh,
Oh.
Anything else in the box?
it's
Have in the box, RJ? Still have there? What's that?
Looks like nothing.
Nothing.
no, this cardboard.
Yeah, it's
Maybe there's
Put it on the
something
floor.
under.
Put it on the floor so we can get this up there.
No, I
Yeah.
tried to pour it down. I'm going inside the box like a cat. Meow.
there is.
There's cardboard in the box.
There's this cardboard. Oh. Oh.
Here it is.
It's purple.
Yep, look.
Look at the handle. Oh, God.
Plastic.
I got the handle.
Ooh.
There you go. You can
Oh.
use the cord. You can wind it up right here. Detachable hose. Don't open it, please.
Wants to open
This
so
is-
fast.
That releases it.
Then you have this thing. I'm pushing everything with the thing. Oh, this is how you
I
get
thought that was in.
Oh, that's how that gets out.
Leave it.
Oh, the 3 tools.
There she is.
Number 1 tool and number 2 tool.
Let me just browse through the instructions. Okay, so here's the vacuum, and RJ is going to show you all the features.
Because I found all the features.
Because he found them first.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, so
What do we got?
first you have this thing.
What is that thing?
That's the vacuum thing.
That's for the that's for all the dirt that
Dirt.
goes in there, and then we can open it up and empty it in the garbage
And
bin.
garbage. Then
Yep.
it goes into here and goes into here and does, I don't know. And then if you want to dump it, you have to push this button and no.
Yep.
Oh, it's like,
That's pretty easy.
Yep.
but I don't know. The trash is going here, so I don't know.
Yeah, don't leave that alone.
So,
Yeah, what back?
and then you put it back in the wire.
Yep. Power cord.
Then you have this thing right here, the vacuum thing. And you can also grab this
No,
right
pull from the plastic.
here. And then you got this. And then you go, or you go like,
Or you can put it on the handle, show them that.
Yeah. Short
you
the
go like that.
hose.
Take the handle out.
And you use this one if you want right here, too.
And have brush too.
No, take the handle out, show them.
The handle, RJ.
Then you have this handle right here. And go like,
It's got an input, show them where the hose goes.
and then you
Oh,
have
the hose. Goes
Then
the top.
grab the hose again, and then you can go
Like that.
Put the tool on the end. Grab a
Oh, I know what the dot does now.
snaps.
Look, see the dot? It goes in there and it's locked.
Okay.
And now it goes.
And put other.
Crevice tool.
Yeah.
Grab it this again, and then you can put it on here, and then you go like.
And you can carry that with you. Through the stairway.
Yep.
Okay, what else we got?
And then
Put that back together. Show how it goes back together.
the filter's in here also.
Where is it?
The filter's right inside here.
Yeah, there.
And then you grab, then you put this back here. And then you have to unlock it,
Okay.
Turn it, then pull.
and then turn it, and then pull. And then you have to
And
put the
back.
handle back in. And then put this here.
Nope, you gotta get on top
Careful.
of that first.
And put this on the top. Then press that in. This is how
There's the power switch.
that's how you start it.
Power
This
off.
is the
Release.
Release the
that
pelted.
was like tilted like our other one.
Yep.
And then this
The
is the
wire.
power cord. Let's see how long it is. I don't think it's that long.
And we testing later.
Oh,
Okay, let's see. Open. There you go, the filter.
this
In there, RJ. No.
No, that's not.
Here's the filter.
Yeah, he's got it.
There it is.
Let's not rip it.
But it's a block, you cannot tell. There you go.
Oh. There
That's
it is.
washable.
Yeah.
It's like
washable filter
it's like a foam.
Yep.
foam. And
Hey,
then
put
put
back.
this thing's very
Is it an even?
okay. It's good
Okay.
to be in. And then you can put it back on.
Okay, let's see how long the extension cord is. Like this.
Okay, ready?
Slowly, slowly. It's
And the go. Oh no 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 no. Wait a second, and also you can snap it in here.
Yeah. Oh, this is the small here. Okay, there you go.
And you just place this back in here.
Okay, we're testing now the
Ready?
vacuum. Okay, turn on the light. So dark.
I'll count it out. I'll do the
Yeah.
honors. This
Okay.
vacuum's so good.
You like it?
Look how they dust it
the
fast.
one thing that it doesn't maneuver well.
Charger.
bunch.
Hey guys, how to put the cord. Okay, and then
Clips on, yeah,
so that it not fall off.
it goes
There
in
you
the
go.
plug. Okay,
There it is.
there you go.
Okay, that's it.
$39.
The
Don't get much.
39 bucks this guys, $39. Look at the dirt inside. Have a lot. Only here. So guys, that's it for today guys, for the unboxing and review guys. So I hope you like it. And if you like it, don't forget to like,
one more thing.
share, and subscribe. See you next video. See you next video guys. Bye bye for now.
See you next video. Hey, but
Okay, go.
thing that you have to vacuum. Now I'm gonna try the other one. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hi guys, the wheels we forgot. The wheels is plastic guys. Here, plastic. And here is the back.
And it can tilt.
Yep. Here the side.